Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. I'm back again. Today we're going to be demoing off Bulletproof. It's a 18-shot 200-gram cake by Black Diamond and Pro Fireworks. As you see, love the artwork on the packaging itself. If you guys are a big baseball fan, there you go. The performance is right here if you guys want to pause the video and read that. But anyways, here's the tube layout. Pretty decent size, bore size on there. Look at the last two shots. Huge breaks. So hopefully this one does well in the demo. But without further ado, let's get into the demo of Bulletproof. 18-shot 200-gram cake by Pro Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Bulletproof. It's 18-shot 200-gram. Here we go, by Pro Fireworks. Bulletproof 200-gram cake. Really good 200-gram cake called Bulletproof.